What if you could earn one of the highest interest rates on your savings without worrying about fees or minimum balances? That's exactly what Jenius Bank offers with its high-yield savings account. But is this online-only bank the right choice for your financial needs, or does it come with limitations that might make you think twice? Today, we're diving into the pros and cons of Jenius Bank's high-yield savings account to help you decide if it's the right fit for you. Let's start with some background. Jenius Bank is a digital-only banking platform launched in 2023 as a subsidiary of SMBC Manu Bank, a global financial institution with over 400 years of history. While it's new to the U.S. market, Jenius Bank has quickly gained attention for its simple, yet highly competitive high-yield savings account. But as with any banking product, there are both advantages and drawbacks to consider. Pros of Jenius Bank High-Yield Savings. Exceptional APY. The biggest draw of Jenius Bank's high-yield savings account is its stellar annual percentage yield, APY, of 5.25%. This rate is significantly higher than the national average for savings accounts, which hovers around 0.45%. Whether you're building an emergency fund or saving for a big goal, this APY can help your money grow much faster. No fees. Jenius Bank's high-yield savings account is completely fee-free. There are no monthly maintenance fees, no overdraft fees, and no penalties for excessive transactions. This ensures that every dollar you save stays in your account and works toward earning interest. No minimum balance requirement. You can open a Jenius Bank savings account with $0 and still earn the full APY on your balance. This makes it accessible for savers at all levels, whether you're just starting out or already have a substantial amount to deposit. Unlimited withdrawals. Unlike many traditional banks that limit certain types of withdrawals to 6 per month, Jenius Bank allows unlimited transfers in and out of your savings account without any penalties. This flexibility is ideal for those who need frequent access to their funds. Joint accounts available. If you're saving with a partner or family member, Jenius Bank offers joint accounts, making it easy to manage shared financial goals together. FDIC insurance. Like most reputable banks, Jenius Bank is FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, or $500,000 for joint accounts. This provides peace of mind that your money is safe even in worst-case scenarios. 24/7 customer support. Jenius Bank offers round-the-clock customer service via phone and chat with U.S.-based representatives. Whether it's day or night, help is always available if you have questions or run into issues. Simple account setup. Opening a Jenius Bank high-yield savings account is quick and easy. You can complete the process entirely online in just a few minutes. Cons of Jenius Bank high-yield savings. No ATM access or debit card. One major limitation of Jenius Bank is that it doesn't provide ATM access or debit cards for its savings account. To withdraw money, you'll need to transfer funds to an external bank account first, a process that can take time depending on processing speeds. No mobile app. Despite being an online-only bank, Jenius Bank currently doesn't offer a mobile app for managing accounts on the go. While its website is mobile-friendly and functional, the lack of a dedicated app may be inconvenient for some users. Limited product offerings. As of now, Jenius Bank only offers one product, its high-yield savings account. There are no checking accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, or credit cards available under its platform. If you prefer having all your financial products under one roof, this could be a drawback. No physical branches. Since Jenius Bank operates entirely online, there are no physical branches where you can handle transactions in person. If you value face-to-face interactions with bankers, this might not be the right fit for you. Slow transfers. Transferring funds between Jenius Bank and external accounts can take several business days, depending on processing times. This delay might not be ideal if you need immediate access to your money in an emergency. Not available in all states. Currently, residents of Hawaii and New Mexico cannot open accounts with Jenius Bank due to state restrictions. If you live in one of these states, unfortunately, this option isn't available to you. No cash deposit option. Since Jenius Bank doesn't have physical branches or ATMs, there's no way to deposit cash directly into your account. You'll need to fund your account via electronic transfers or direct deposits instead. Young institution. As a relatively new bank launched in 2023, Jenius Bank doesn't have the long-standing reputation or track record that more established banks offer. While it's backed by SMBC Manu Bank, a trusted global institution, some customers may still feel hesitant about trusting their money to a newer platform. Who is Jenius Bank High Yield Savings best for? Jenius Bank's High Yield Savings account is an excellent choice for individuals who want one of the highest APYs available without worrying about fees. Jenius Bank stands out as a strong contender in the world of online banking thanks to its impressive APY and fee-free structure. It's an excellent option for those who prioritize earning competitive interest rates while keeping things simple and straightforward. That said, its limitations, such as no ATM access and limited product offerings, mean it won't suit everyone's needs perfectly. So now that we've laid out both sides, is Jenius Bank's High Yield Savings account right for you? Let us know what you think in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, star.